Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to jump-start a Toyota Camry Hybrid. First, locate the 12-volt auxiliary battery, which is typically in the trunk, not under the hood. Make sure both vehicles are turned off and not touching each other to prevent any electrical issues. Have your jumper cables ready. They should be in good condition with no frayed wires. This process is straightforward if you follow these simple steps carefully. Now let's connect the positive cables. Take one red positive cable and securely attach it to the positive terminal of your Camry Hybrid's dead battery. Then, take the other end of that same red cable and connect it to the positive terminal of the good battery in the assisting vehicle. Double-check that both connections are firm and won't easily slip off. This ensures a proper flow of power. Next, connect the black negative cable to the negative terminal of the good battery. For the other end of the black cable, find an unpainted metal surface on your Camry Hybrid, away from the battery, like a metal bracket. Start the assisting vehicle and let it run for about 5 to 10 minutes. This allows the good battery to transfer enough charge to your hybrid's auxiliary battery, preparing it to start. Once the charging period is complete, turn off the assisting vehicle. Carefully remove the black negative cable first, detaching it from both the hybrid and the assisting car. Then, remove the red positive cable from both vehicles. Now, try starting your Camry Hybrid. If it starts, drive it for at least 20 minutes to ensure the auxiliary battery fully recharges. If not, you might need professional assistance.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.